Hey, Donny Walker, December 13th. Mountain up there's kind of white. Down here it's just a little bit damp, but a bit cold. Got a saw here, a 562 auto tune from Higher Place Tree Service in Ontario. Chris Brown, I believe his name is. So I just done it up, ran a couple tanks of gas through it, and make a couple cuts with it. Check it out, Chris. Well, I'm pretty sure you'll like that. Get a good chain on it. That one's not too bad. Could be filed up a little bit, but not so bad. So, be a nice Christmas present for you. Keep your saw in the wood. Check out the walkersawshop.com online store. Have a great holidays. Bye.